everybody, welcome back. This is Michael with SEO Geek, and I just wanted to show you another feature that we've recently enhanced in SEO Geek as far as the AI section goes and the ability to choose between different AIs. So when you come into SEO Geek from the dashboard, you have your top menu here. If you go into the AI section, you see the section that's called this link, SEO Geek AI Chat. If you click that one, that'll bring you to this page. What we've added in is the ability to select. So default still OpenAI, which is currently using the latest 4.0 model. 4.5 is kind of coming in here pretty soon. We use the APIs from there, so it's whenever they update them, we're updated live as well. We've also worked in GEMENI, and we've worked in GROK. There's benefits between each one. I'm liking GROK a lot lately because it's a little more current data. So what you can come in and do, at any time, just put in whatever your prompt your question is. This particular one I actually just ran through to see how it'll pump it out directly through GROK. So now I want to see what it's going to do in SEO Geek, writing an article about different advertising and marketing channels. One of the things that we are having done, which will probably be done tonight, tomorrow, or the next day, is the output still has a lot of that, I'm going to call it AI jargon in here. Actually, it's not bad with the GROK one. When you use OpenAI, you'll get the extra pound signs and stars. I'm actually having the guys work on that so it cut and pastes easier and doesn't throw extra characters in on you. This does look almost exactly what I just got in my live paid version of GROK, so that means it's definitely using the latest, and it is going out and doing research because it's finding information, so that's good. When you're done with it, you can obviously always ask another question, and it'll just continue on with the stream that you did. If you like the one you're doing, you can hit Save Chat, and you can actually give it a, so I'll just say blog for SEO Geek. And then the customer in here, I'll select SEO Geek. And then it'll save it. The purpose of that is so if I ever want to come back in and continue, I don't want to update that, hit the wrong thing. I can click on the chat itself and continue on that prompt. So if I want to adjust it or say anything else, for example, add 3 channels that I don't know about. Let's see what I can find. Just shows you kind of what else it does. Hope that helps, and I'm going to try and do a bunch of these little short clips on the stuff we're adding because, obviously we've added a ton into the AI section, and the SEO section just continues to grow, and then the service section we're throwing a lot more in. And then there's additional features you don't see up in here unless you're specifically on a client account, which I'll do a whole thing on that later. Thank you, and I hope you follow and just keep watching what we put out.